Don't you sometimes feel sad about breaking all these myths apart?
No, because I think it's some myths are deserve to be broken apart out of respect for the human intellect. That no, when you're writhing on the ground and froth is coming out of your mouth, you're having an epileptic seizure. You have not been invaded by the devil. We got this one figured out, okay?
I like Neil deGrasse Tyson. Unlike some of these other folks, I feel like he is a credible person and good-natured as well. He's using the word myth here in the popular sense of falsehood, not in the sense of a literary form. And I would agree with him that insofar as you equate myths and falsehoods, then we need to use reason and intellect to expose them. With respect to demon possession, I'm skeptical of the claim that it's been proven that there is no demon possession. This is not an area of my expertise, but I don't see any reason to think that demon possession is impossible and never takes place. So I'm rather skeptical of that sweeping claim on his part.
Yeah, that's actually an interesting question. I was thinking about that. Like, what percentage of philosophers of religion do you think would accept that something like demon possession is a thing? If you could just come up with the number.
I've never seen anybody even talk about it. It's just not a topic that is much dealt with. Maybe that would be a good one to tackle for Christian theologians, to do a little bit on this area. But certainly in things that I've read about the occult practices seem to be very real, and in some cases do seem to come into contact with spiritual forces that are tremendously evil and destructive. And so I would be careful about being too rash and saying that there is no such thing as demon possession, that it never occurs.